Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best sock holder is probably one of the most underrated accessories for anyone who wears socks. Tired of losing socks in the laundry or struggling to keep your sock drawer tidy? This video is dedicated to exploring the world of sock holders, those ingenious gadgets designed to keep your socks paired, organized, and easily accessible. We'll dive into the different types available, from simple clips to more elaborate systems, and help you find the perfect solution to streamline your sock management. Number 5. Mars Wellness Deluxe Sock Aide. This sock aid is incredibly simple to use. Just slip your sock over the plastic form, insert your foot, and pull it up using the cords. It makes putting on socks a breeze. The foam grip handles are designed for comfort and support. It's lightweight, so it eliminates the need for strenuous bending or pulling. You'll find it very easy to use. This sock aid helps reduce the risk of injury to your back, spine, or arms. It eliminates the need for stretching and pulling motions. It's perfect for seniors. This device comfortably works for people of all sizes and shapes. The adjustable cord allows for a custom fit for most heights. It's a great tool to help put on socks. Mars Wellness stands behind all of its products. You can purchase with confidence knowing that you are getting a quality product. We are here to support you. What we like. This product features comfortable foam grip handles, making it easy to hold. The adjustable cords allow for a customized fit, accommodating various heights. If you have limited mobility or struggle with bending, it is a great choice to regain independence. What people say. Make putting on sock a breeze for seniors or anyone with a bad back or knees. Works perfectly every time. It worked beautifully. Learn to use it right. It's amazing. Ankle socks, tube socks. Number 4. Sock Aide, Sock Helper Aid Tool. Are you struggling to put on your socks? This device is designed to make it easy. It helps you slide your socks on without bending over. The unique 3-finger design holds your stocking securely. This feature makes it simple to use, even for those with limited mobility. Made with terry cloth and nylon, it provides a gentle yet firm grip. This material reduces friction and prevents tearing, ensuring a smooth experience. This sock assist device works well with most types of socks. Whether you're wearing dress socks, casual socks, or athletic socks, it can help. This sock aid is perfect for the elderly, disabled, pregnant women, and diabetics. It allows them to put on and take off their socks easily, promoting independence. What we like. The unique 3-finger design holds stockings securely. The gentle grip reduces friction and prevents tearing. If you are looking for a simple and effective solution for putting on socks without bending, this is the one for you. What people say. Works great. Easy to use. The device is a sort of 3-fingered flexible hand. In use, I squeeze the fingers together into a small U shape, and then slide a sock over the fingers. It works perfectly and saves you struggling to put your socks on whether you have a painful back or just cannot bend down that low while sitting. Number 3. Vive Sock Aid and Shoe Horn Kit. This kit from Vive helps you put on and take off socks and shoes with ease. It's designed for seniors, those with balance issues, or anyone recovering from an injury. It promotes greater independence in your daily routine. The sock aid has a flexible shell and can be used with socks of all sizes. The non-slip lining keeps the sock in place. The handle is adjustable for a comfortable grip. This long shoe horn eliminates the need to bend over. It's 23 inches long and has a comfortable handle. It works with various shoe types and protects your socks. The shoe horn detaches into 2 pieces for easy storage and travel. It's made of a strong, lightweight material, making it easy to carry around. Vive offers a 60-day guarantee, so you can purchase this kit with confidence. Try it out and see how it improves your daily life. What we like. This kit includes both a sock aid and a long-handled shoe horn for comprehensive assistance. The adjustable handle provides a comfortable grip. If you like a complete solution for both socks and shoes, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It took a few minutes to figure it out, but it works. The plastic is thick and seems pretty sturdy. The foam handles work really well. The tab on the shoehorn makes sock removal much easier. These tools take the pain out of it and make it easy. Number 2. ZIME Elderly Sock Aide, white and blue. Are you or a loved one struggling with putting on socks? This innovative tool is designed to assist those with limited mobility. It makes dressing easier and more comfortable. The ZIME Sock Dressing Aid is simple to operate. It helps those who have difficulty bending over. This tool is a great help for the elderly and pregnant women. The design of this tool ensures a comfortable experience. It reduces strain and allows you to put on socks independently. It is a great aid for daily living. Whether you're elderly, pregnant, or have mobility issues, this tool is for you. It is a practical solution for anyone needing assistance with socks. It promotes independence and dignity. Simplify your morning routine with the ZIME Sock Dressing Aid. It is a practical and helpful tool. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This tool is designed to make putting on socks easy and avoid bending. It is especially suitable for the elderly and pregnant women. If you are looking for a simple and effective solution to avoid bending, it is the one for you. What people say. A friend told me about this product and now the socks go on my foot with no bending. Great product. This device is amazing. I have spinal problems and can't bend over. It is so helpful to me. I don't have to bend to put on socks. This is an inexpensive, low-tech solution for help putting on your socks. It is easy to use. I really like it. Number 1. BodyHealt Deluxe Sock Aide, Easy Sock Helper. This sock aid is expertly crafted with a durable plastic frame. It also features comfortable foam handles for easy gripping, especially for those with limited dexterity. It comes in white, blue, and pink to suit your preference. If you're recovering from hip or knee surgery, this tool can be a great help. It assists with a daily task that can be difficult after surgery, easing your recovery and preventing injuries when you return home. Putting on socks is now easier with this essential aid. It's designed to help those who have trouble bending over. It extends your reach, minimizing the need to bend down to put on or take off socks. This aid is perfect for those recovering from surgery or with limited mobility. It's also great for those with joint pain, arthritis, or chronic muscle pain. It is designed to help with a variety of needs. This aid is perfect for those with temporary or permanent disabilities. It reduces dependence on others, bringing mobility and freedom. It helps to make daily life easier. What we like. This product is expertly crafted for long-lasting durability. It aids in recovery after surgery and promotes independence. If you have recently had surgery or have limited mobility, it will be a great help to you. What people say. You slip your sock over the bottom of the aid, lower it to the ground using the handles, put your foot in as far as you can manage, and then use the handles to pull the sock aid towards your body. It makes putting my socks on fast and easy. Opened it up, slid a footie onto the tube, no adjustment. Put on floor, slide foot into tube and pulled ropes. 2 to 5 counts footie was on foot, no pain in hip. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.